In a small village, there was a woodcutter. Every day morning he wakes up, he goes to the jungle, chops some trees and comes back and lives happily. No worries and no tension at all. Life is going on smooth. One day, there was another woodcutter from a different village came and started living in this village. It's a big jungle, there is no problem, lot of trees. So both of them individually get up, go to the jungle, chop some trees, come back and live. After a couple of days, the first woodcutter observed that the second one who went to the jungle and chopped 7 trees and came back. And he saw he could only chop 5. He was thinking, oh, this new fellow is chopping 7 trees wherein I have did only 5. Let me try to do something good tomorrow and see how well I can do. Next day, the first woodcutter went quickly and then started his work. In the end, to his surprise, when he saw that he managed to chop 7 trees, but the second woodcutter has already chopped 8 and coming back home. He thought for a while, what is it that the second one is doing that he managed to do better than me? But then he don't want to give up. He thought, next day I'm going to start early, going to have good food and let me see how well I can do. The day started, he went on to the jungle, the second one also there, and then both started their work. By the end of the day, the first one managed to get 8 and the second one managed to get 10. Now this time the first woodcutter was really surprised. How is it that he's doing? He thought, next day let me put all my effort and see how well I can do. He went on early in the morning, he had good food, he was fully pumped up, and then without even taking a single break, he tried to work super hard that entire day. End of the day, he saw he managed to cut only 7 trees this day, and the second one has managed his 10 and he was coming back. Now this got him with surprise. He thought he needs to find an answer for this. The first woodcutter was thinking, how do I get the answer? There's only one place where he will get answer for his question, and that is to talk with the second one and find out what is it that he is doing. So he went to the second woodcutter and asked, how are you managing to cut so many trees wherein when I tried, I just couldn't do that? The second woodcutter explained, after cutting every tree, I take a break. And in that break, I sharpen my axe and then I go for the next one. Sounds very simple, isn't it? A simple suggestion that you take a break so that you get enough rest for your body. In the meantime, you sharpen your axe and you go. You will manage to get a lot more. Isn't this something very similar that we do in our life? We go on doing the same thing that we know and then we continuously do it. But giving a break is actually giving a time for yourself to see and think, what are you doing? How are you doing? How can you do it little better? Sharpening your axe is basically sharpening your skills. You might have a skill, but every day you just use that skill, it doesn't get sharpened much, right? You need to work on it, you need to improvise it, you need to see what is it that you need to learn to go to the next level. And these breaks will help. So I suggest everyone, in your work, take a little break and think about how are you doing and see what are the key core skills that are required to do your task well and sharpen them. Work on them. Ensure your axe is sharp. You have taken enough rest so that next time when you go on cutting trees, you can do much better.